The eldest brother who is engaged in agriculture, planting, and engineering is blessed today. Like these little tapers behind me, all thousands of dollars are delivered to your home. We are the source manufacturer, all new cars, all new batteries, new engines. At the same time, it brings a new warranty to the big guy, 3 guarantees to the big guy, and a lifelong after-minus sales service for the big guy. That sentence, we are the source manufacturer. Choose a small excavator to find us, pay attention to us, and you will not be disappointed.